If you're into a pharmaceuticals, life sciences, or nutraceuticals manufacturing business, one big challenge you face today is managing dispersed units, teams, and stakeholders. Imagine a tool that can offer real-time connectivity while adapting to your unique business requirements. Welcome to BatchMaster Web, an ERP loaded with the specific capabilities required for your business. Backed by the industry knowledge and experience of over 3 decades and reinforced with a new user interface and user experience. It allows you to cash in on the business opportunities using just a URL on any browser, any device, from anywhere in the world. By helping you to achieve compliance, perform monitoring and control, and manage business functions such as purchase, sales, finance, production, quality control, supply chain, and distribution on the go. You can achieve real-time connectivity, smarter decision-making, agility and business resilience, and a lot more for your own line, API, private label, or contract pharma manufacturing business with the ERP of tomorrow, today. BatchMaster Web.